Welcome back, everybody. This is Wednesday, August 25th for Avid. For Avid today, we had quite a bit to do, actually. So let's get into it. First of all, we did our 1-1-2. So we shared with a partner for a minute, and then our partner A shared, then partner B shared, then partner A shared again, and partner B shared. And then you guys got to tell each other everything that you remembered. And then after, you guys had 2 minutes of a conversation about what you talked about. It was a pretty fun activity, especially for you guys to just learn more about each other in general. Okay, I keep putting Slant in here. I'm sorry, you guys. I keep meaning to do some Slant review with you all. We did a binder check. That took a lot. Today was modified, so it was just short. We were going through it, folks. But we did do a binder check. So that was it. Our exit ticket wasn't actually Slant. Our exit ticket for this day was making sure that we knew the elements of binder check. So we specifically did that. But I do want you guys to start practicing Slant. And then in paired groups, you guys remembered everything you did for our do now. We already practiced Slant, and then we looked at binder check. Remember, it is that organizational sheet. I'm going to upload it to our Google Classroom, so you guys do have that at least to look on electronically. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Before school, after school, during school, if you need to, I'm here for you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.